Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. This is the place where we talk about real life, real dreams, and real English.
Hey everyone, I'm Daniel. And yes, if you're listening to this while thinking, can I really do this? Don't worry, you're not alone.
I'm Aisha, and today's episode is very special because we're talking about something that many of you dream about.
YouTube. How to succeed on YouTube and how to speak English confidently while doing it.
And before we start, let me say this clearly. You do not need perfect English to succeed on YouTube.
If perfect English was required, half of YouTube wouldn't exist.
Exactly. What you need is courage, consistency, and confidence.
Aisha, let's talk honestly for a moment. Why does speaking English feel so scary for many people?
Because English feels like a test. People think they're being judged.
Yes, we think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh?
And on YouTube, that fear becomes bigger because now it's not just one person listening, it's the whole world.
Your mind starts saying, I'm not ready.
But here's the truth. Most people on YouTube are not perfect speakers.
They're just brave speakers.
Confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes after action.
Let's talk about success. Many people think success on YouTube means millions of subscribers.
But real success is different.
Real success is pressing record even when you're scared.
Real success is uploading your video even when you're not fully confident.
And real success is not quitting after 2 videos.
YouTube rewards consistency, not perfection. One big reason people don't start YouTube is fear of mistakes.
Yes, they think mistakes are dangerous.
But mistakes are teachers.
Every successful YouTuber made mistakes. Bad videos, bad audio, awkward speaking.
Mistakes mean you're learning.
If you wait for perfection, you'll never start.
Overthinking kills creativity.
Overthinking is another big enemy.
You think about the title for hours, you think about the script for days.
And finally, you don't upload anything.
Overthinking steals energy.
Action creates clarity.
It's better to upload an imperfect video than no video at all.
Stop comparing yourself to others.
Let's talk about comparison.
Comparison is very dangerous on YouTube.
You see someone with better editing, better English, more views.
And suddenly, you feel small.
But remember, they also started with 0 subscribers.
Your journey is different. Your voice is different.
People don't subscribe to perfection. They subscribe to connection.
Many learners think, when my English is perfect, I'll start YouTube.
That day never comes.
Confidence is not about perfect grammar.
Confidence is about showing up again and again.
Your accent is not a problem.
Your mistakes are not a problem. Silence is the real problem.
Preparing simple topics for YouTube.
Let's get practical.
Preparation helps confidence.
Before recording, ask yourself simple questions.
What do I know? What can I share? What did I learn today?
You don't need big topics.
Simple topics build strong channels.
For example, how I started YouTube, my first mistake on YouTube.
Speak from experience. Experience is powerful.
Using your surroundings for content.
Your room, your phone, your daily routine. You don't need a studio.
Authenticity is more important than equipment.
Simple daily English sentences for YouTube.
Let's share some simple English sentences you can use in videos.
Yes, simple and natural.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today, I want to share something important.
I'm still learning, so please support me.
I hope this video helps you.
Simple sentences connect hearts.
Practice builds confidence.
The first video is scary.
The second is slightly easier.
The 10th feels natural.
You don't become confident and then act.
You act and then become confident.
Listen with intent for content ideas.
Listening is also important on YouTube.
Listen to your audience.
Read comments. Understand questions.
When you listen, your content improves.
And when content improves, confidence grows.
Ending videos politely and confidently.
Let's talk about endings.
Many people don't know how to end videos.
Keep it simple.
It was nice sharing this with you.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next video.
Polite endings leave a good feeling.
Mindset for long-term success.
YouTube is a long journey.
Success doesn't come in 1 week.
Don't chase viral videos.
Build value. Build trust. Smile. Growth will come.
Emotional encouragement.
If you feel scared, that means you care.
If you feel nervous, that means this matters to you.
Fear is not a stop sign.
It's a sign you're growing.
Motivational closing.
Before we end, remember this.
You don't need perfect English.
You don't need perfect confidence.
You just need to start.
Press record.
Upload the video.
Learn from mistakes.
And keep going.
Because your voice deserves to be heard.
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Keep speaking, keep creating, keep believing. Headset for you.